Hi and welcome to VidTechy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add clickable links to YouTube videos, or how to fix it if the link is not working in your description section. So for that, open your YouTube channel. Then go to your channel page and click Manage Videos. So once you click Manage Videos, you can able to see all the videos here. Let's say for this example, I will choose this video. These all are the description links and all clickable links. So I will show you here. Once I open the description, see here all the links are clickable from my description. Let's say I added the URL without HTTPS or added www.com. See, I added one URL with www and VidTechy.com and VidTechy.com directly. I will show you what will happen. So once you go to the video, see here this www.com and VidTechy.com is not clickable. So once I click, it will open and go to the URL. See, these two are not clickable. So this is the way you can able to fix it. So in front of any URL, if one be clickable, you need to add the HTTPS in front of that URL. VidTechy is all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up VidTechy for free and takes your YouTube marketing to the next level. So once you add the HTTPS and save now, you can able to click the URL in the description section. So here now both the URL are clickable. For the URL, you already added the HTTPS:// for your URL, but still the URL is not clickable. Then the second thing you need to check is your channel settings, then future eligibility. You need to enable this advanced feature. So if this advanced feature is not enabled, then the external link will not be clickable in the description section. So you need to enable this. So how to enable this, I will show you in a different video. Check that video in the description. So one more thing I need to show you. So once you go to the description, then just now we added one URL, right? This is the URL support page of Google or any other URL. Once you come to the description, the YouTube after a particular character, YouTube will shorten and it will not show this full URL. So let's say I want to copy this URL. If I copy from the description and paste it here, it will not open that exact URL. So you don't copy the data URL from the description. Let's say it is your own video. Then you can go here and copy the URL from the inside section. So once you copy then paste, it will open. Let's say you want to copy the link from other videos, just click the URL. So once you click, it will open. Then from here, you can be able to copy other people's videos. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more videos about YouTube marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel VidTechy. Thanks for watching.